Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use custom instructions in ChatGPT Plus. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So before we start, you should select the GPT-4 and you should be subscribed to ChatGPT Plus. Okay, so go over to the lower left corner and go over to custom instructions. So what custom instruction is it basically allows you for ChatGPT to give you more specific answers for your questions or for your inquiries. So what this does is you actually input instructions to ChatGPT so that you can get a uh, more specified answer for your liking. So for this one on the first box, so you can tell ChatGPT to know more about yourself here. And for this one, you can ask ChatGPT on how you can on how they can respond to your questions. So, for example, you can say uh, that you want 10 ways on how to maintain a business in table format. And for here, you can tell that you are a business owner. For example, you are a beginner business owner here. So like that. So we can try and use this. So here you can go ahead and send a message for so 10 business ideas. So in here, as you can see, it actually follows your custom instructions that you've just created. So okay, that is how you can do this, guys. All you have to do is wait for this, and as you can see, it specifies the answer much more correctly and efficiently. Okay, so as you can see there. So there, guys, that is how you can use this feature, and you can play along with this however you like. So okay, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.